Students, in this video you are going to learn about third problem to seventh problem. Now third problem, the area of a trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. Distance between its parallel sides is 26 centimeter. If one of the parallel side is 84 centimeter, then find the other side. First you have to read the question two times, at least two times you have to read the statement problem. Then you have to identify what are the things is given. For area is 1586 square centimeter. Distance between its parallel sides, so that means it is, for this is height. For this is a height. So then if one of the parallel side we got to mention as A and B. So this is A. For other parallel side we want to find B value. Third question given, area equal to 1586 square centimeter, height 26 centimeter. One of the parallel side A is 84 centimeter, B we want to find. For A, write the area of the trapezium formula. Then for already I said to you, for area value is given, we have to compare the formula and the area value. For one side you write the formula, another side write the given value. Then you have to substitute the given values 1 by 2 into H value 26, 84 plus B. B is unknown, just write B equal to 1586. Now it is a group. So keep in the left hand side. For in this left hand side cancelling is possible. You have to make cancel. Then you transpose to right hand side. 1 2 is to 13 2s are 26. Now 84 plus B equal to, first you write the right hand side value 1586 into, for this side we have 13. 13 transpose to right hand side, that is 1 by 13. For 13th table we have to check because it is a prime number. For 13th table, for it is one time. For now you have to check, it is 113 is 13, balance 2, that is 28, 2 times 26, again balanced 2, that is 26, 2 times 26. So now 84 plus B equal to 122. B equal to, we want to find the B value. So 84 transpose to this side. You have to subtract these two, you get 38 centimeter. Therefore other side equal to 38 centimeter. Now fourth problem, the area of the trapezium is 1080 square centimeter if length of its parallel sides are 55.6 centimeter and 34.4 centimeter. Find the distance between them. So that is, for here area is given, this is a area, for area is 1080 square centimeter. Length of its parallel sides, so that is, for this is A, for this is B, distance between them, so we want to find the H value. Fourth question, take and write given. What are the things given in the question? Area 1080 square centimeter, parallel side, length of the parallel side, that is one parallel side is A, that is 55.6 centimeter, B equal to 34.4 centimeter. We want to find the height. First you write the formula, area of the trapezium. Then for more problems, previously 2 or 3 problems I taught to you, that is area values given, that area value compare with the formula, that is half into H into A plus B equal to 1080. Now you have to substitute the values, half into H into A value 55.6, B value 34.4 equal to 1080. First you have to simplify the group value, that is the bracket value. For addition you have to make normal decimal addition, 6 plus 4 10, balance 1, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10, balance 1, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, for one decimal place. So 90.0, that is equal to 90. So now you got to write here half into H into, for this adding value 90 equal to 1080. For here left hand side cancelling is possible. You have to make cancel, 1 2 is 2. It is 4 2s are 8, balance 1. So next number is at 10. So 5 2s are 10. Now we want to find the H value. So H is equal to 1000, right hand side value 1080 into the 45 transpose to right hand side, that is 1 by 45. First I am used a 5 table, 9 5s are 45. 2 5s are 10, then 1 5 is 5, balance 3, that is 30, 6 5s are 30. Again 9th table, 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, balance 3, 36, 4 9s are 36. So H is equal to 24 centimeter. So therefore distance between the parallel sides is equal to 24 centimeter. Fifth question. The area of a trapezium 180 square centimeter and its height is 9 centimeter. One of the parallel side is longer than other by 6 centimeter. Find the length of the parallel sides. So area is given, that is area equal to 180 square centimeter. Then height, so that is h is equal to 9 centimeter. For here indirectly given the parallel length of the parallel side, that is one of the parallel side is longer than the other. So that means one of the parallel side we have to consider as A and another parallel side is B. So that is A the same as A, B equal to A plus 6. So then using that we want to find the parallel side. So that is A equal to A, one parallel side is A, B equal to A plus 6. So that is for here longer than by 6. So that is B equal to A plus 6. For given area equal to height is equal to one of the parallel sides we have to consider as A, the values are not given. Other parallel side B equal to A plus 6 because it is given more than 6. More than 6 with the first parallel line, so that is A plus 6 centimeter. Write the formula. Then compare the formula and the area value. Now you have to substitute the values of into H value is 9, A value the same, B value is A value is A, B value is A plus 6 equal to 180. So half into 9, A plus A is 2A plus 6 is equal to 180, it is 6. So now you have to transpose these two values to the right hand side, that is 2A plus 6 is equal to 180 into 2, 1 by 2 become 2, 9 become 1 by 9, 1 9 is 9, 20 times it is 180, 2A plus 6 is equal to 40. We want to find A value, 2A equal to 6 transpose to this side, it is become minus 6. So 2A equal to, you have to subtract this value, that is 34, 1 2 is 2, 17 times it is a 34. So A equal to 17 centimeter. For B value we consider as A plus 6. So that is 17 plus 6, that is equal to 23 centimeter. For the length of the parallel sides are A equal to 17 centimeter and B equal to 23 centimeter. For sixth problem, the sunshade of a window is the form of a isosceles trapezium whose parallel sides are 81 centimeter and 64 centimeter and the distance between them is 6 centimeter. Find the cost of painting the surface at the rate of rupees 2 per square centimeter. For here given isosceles trapezium, for isosceles trapezium means non-parallel sides are equal. For here no difference between the other problems. For now, for parallel sides means the same way it is A, for it is B, for it is H. We have to use the area formula, then that area value you have to multiple with 2 because 1 square centimeter amount is 2 rupees. Then we want to find that for how much area is there, that area multiple by 2 we get the answer. For this problem given A equal to 81 centimeter, B equal to 64 centimeter, H is equal to 6 centimeter. Write the area of the trapezium formula. Then 1 by 2 into the values you have to substitute in the formula. H value is 6, A value 81, B value 64. 1 by 2 into 6 into, you have to add these two, that is 145. For cancelling is possible 1 time, 3 times. So that is 3 into 145, that is equal to 435 square centimeter. For also given cost of painting for 1 square centimeter equal to rupees 2. 1 square centimeter amount is rupees 2. So we found the area 435. Cost of painting for 435 square centimeter equal to rupees 435 into 2. So that is 870. Now the seventh problem, a window is in the form of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 105 centimeter and 50 centimeter respectively and the distance between the parallel side is 60 centimeter. Find the cost of the glass used to cover the window at the rate of rupees 15 per 100 square centimeter. In the previous problem the amount is given for 1 square centimeter, here 100 square centimeter. So that means first you have to find for 1 square meter what is the amount, then you have to multiple with the area. For seventh question, what are the things given, take and write. Parallel side, that is A equal to 105 centimeter, B equal to 50 centimeter, H is equal to 60 centimeter. Write the formula. Substitute the values 1 by 2 into H value 60, A value 105, B value 50. Now 1 by 2 into 60 into add these two values, that is 155. Cancelling is possible 1 time, 30 time. 30 into 155. That is, for you have to make a multiplication. For multiple with 3, then you write 0 at the end. So that is, these two you have to make multiple, that is 4650 square centimeter. For also given, cost of the glass for 100 square centimeter equal to rupees 15. So that means 1 square centimeter, what is the cost? 15 by 100. For 1 square centimeter, 15 by 100. We found the area of the window is 4650 square centimeter. So therefore, cost of glass for 4650 square centimeter equal to rupees 4650 into, for 1 square centimeter, what is the amount that you write? That is 15 by 100. So now you have to make cancel, that is 0, 0 cancel. So after cancelling we have 465 into 3 by 2. So that you have to make multiple 1395 by 2. Now you have to divide, that is 697.5, that is a 50 pies.